Thank you ni gucoka guku gwa Kikuyu DailyExpress kuria tumemerekagia ndeto ta uria cia kunuka ngikwihoya uthie na mbere subscribe. Thutha wa Muigai wa Njorogè gutiga andu na Kenya mathamitie tunua kwetukira miario yake iria arekereirie hingo igongona ria mutumia wake Njeri, igongona ria kuruguria foundation ya Women of Courage Ministry riria riatabanirio Ruiru, haria Muigai aririe miario iria tuthurite ndereti mwaki guku nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria, oho na gukirwo ni undu wa kwaria ndeto cia mutumia wake wa keri Queen Stacy igongona-ini ria Njeri. Andu makiuga Muigai ndahete gitio Njeri gitio ona hanini thutha wake kwanika ndeto cia his mother-in-law akiuga Njeri ni amwirite mami wao ahikite ta mutumia wa keri, undu uria wonekanite nikio gitumi giake kuhikia kana kuhikiriria Njeri mutumia ungi. Ndeto iria Kare Nyamu aigiriire akiaria na kuga andu matigane na ndeto cia micii yene thutha wa Muigai gukirirwo ni kwaga ku advertise ona kana kwaria ndeto cia igongona riri nenda-ini ciake, haria bloga uikene ta Esther Baubach okirire giko giki kia Muigai akiuga last but not least, did you see him advertising this on his wall at any given time? Check and let me know. Maybe I missed the post, but he gladly advertised an event which entry was 3 beers. Your own wife is launching something and you have a platform that you can advertise for her, but not even a mention. Njeri, you are going far. You have started on a highly favored note by God. Hashtag the rise of Njeri. Haria Kare Nyamu eumiritie thutha wake kuona ndumiriri ino onake akiuga this one I would have loved to attend. I'm sure it's not too late. I can still support Njeri, otherwise wacheni famili za watu. Micii ni ndogo, akiuga micii ni ndogo, ciugo ici ciake ikiguciriria mashabiki make ario nao marutite mawoni mao matongoirio ni Esther Baubach uria akirite Senator Kare Nyamu ati absolutely you can still support her, lakini acha tuseme ukweli tu, regardless he would have done better. Wewe mwenyewe huwezi chukua upusi kama hiyo tuliona. Nancy ka JCM onake akiongerera na kuga Senator Kare Nyamu, lakini si unajua tu pia wewe hungevumilia hiyo. Remember Kare nake akiumbiria na kuga Kare haezi elewa hii maneno. Remember pia yeye Nyakiamburi, so ako side ya opposition, no biggie to her. Akirikia na lafini moji Senator Kare Nyamu thutha wake kuona ndeto ici ni akiumiritie na gutheria akiuga siko side yoyote. Nope, you are very wrong. I actually don't know what is going on. I just saw the poster and I was interested to attend, but I noticed the date is past.